everyone, and welcome back to Teaching Bee, where we do fun activities at home with our toddlers. So today's activity is something fun for Thanksgiving. We are going to be making a turkey, but we're going to be learning shapes and colors as well when we are making the project. So as you see here is our wonderful turkey that we have completed, and we went over a couple of different shapes, couple different colors, matching, all kinds of fun stuff, learning, but also doing something for Thanksgiving. So a couple things that you want to get started before your toddler comes out and just kind of get in preparation for this activity will be to have each of your colors that you want to have out for your turkey. So I did brown for the body, and you're going to want to cut out each of the shapes that you're wanting to do and have those set aside. And then for the feathers or the back of the turkey, we did different colors and we did diamond shapes, and then we were able to have those cut out as well. And then the other little pieces, as far as maybe the bill or the feet, the googly eyes, have that all ready to go. An extra step that I went ahead and took was for preparation for my toddler was to outline what and where we wanted to place the certain shapes. So I took each of the pieces and made outlines with the color coordinating with it, so that he was able to just simply take this circle brown shape and then put it with the other circle brown shape. Same with the oval, same with the diamonds, etc. And that really helped being able for him to match, create a puzzle, and also just to have fun with it and create that turkey outline. Then we were able to glue and paste each of them on, add the googly eyes and all the little extra features. Lastly, if you wanted to create this into a more, another piece of a hands-on activity, is I took different color pom-poms. In this case, I took each color of the feathers in the background, and I had my child connect it with the color of the pom-pom with the diamond of the feather. So each of them had to connect with a simple color. So for green, orange for orange, yellow for yellow, blue for blue. And he really enjoyed doing that. I could always add in more pom-poms at the end of the day and fill in each of the diamonds. He actually wanted to do that, so maybe we'll go back and finish it off that way. But here is another fun activity to do at home with your toddler.